Hey guys, oh my god, a tree just fell on top of my dad's car. This is a very windy storm. Oh my god, it fell on my dad's car. This is a bad day. Oh my god, I cannot believe that just happened. What? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's going insane.
Hey, give me a towel.
Some crazy day. There's a tree. It's my dad's Ultima. Says there's no damage left to the car. But I'm just enjoying me some hot pizza. Good day. Yes.
Okay, go inside.
See the gusts of wind.
Everybody, just go ahead and sit down and relax.
There goes the bee. There goes the bamboo. There goes the bamboo. Lightning, major light. Holy crap. Bamboo and all that. Gee. Well, I'm moving to Massachusetts. Snowstorms are better. You can just store your food in the snow. Power went out a few moments ago. Still hanging out with my best friend. Thanks, Dylan. Oh my god, lightning. Palm Coast is a really nice place where tourists can come and attract the beautiful winds and beautiful humidity of Florida. Florida is a great place for tourists. Don't come to Florida. Just don't. Oh my god.